Hi, so I will present about objective on why we need to implement pharmacy drug management system. So currently we have three objectives. First objective is continuous improvement and innovation. We establish a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the pharmacy drug management system. This involves regularly assessing system performance, soliciting feedback from stakeholders, and actively seeking opportunities to enhance features, functionalities, and user experiences. Second, adapt to emerging technologies. Remaining updated with the latest technological advancement within the healthcare sector is crucial, particularly in the context of online pharmacies, where integrating cutting-edge solutions can significantly augment efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance. Third and last, enhance accessibility. Facilitating convenient access to an extensive array of pharmaceutical products for customers is a paramount objective, and one that seeks to minimize the necessity for physical visits to conventional brick and mortar pharmacies, thereby aligning with the growing trends towards online convenience and accessibility in healthcare services. Thank you.
Problem statement. The problem statement are inconvenience of traditional pharmacies, which is mobility issues or living in remote area may pose challenge for individuals to access necessary medications. And second, convenience and accessibility. Online pharmacy offer a digital platform for customer to browse, purchase, and receive medication at their convenience. And lastly, privacy and security concern. Handling sensitive health information necessitates robust security measures to protect customer privacies.
For ERD database management, we have 5 tables, which is customer, seller, product, inventory, and orders. For customer, identify a unique user ID. Customer provide personal details including first name, last name, email address, physical address, and phone number. Customer have the option to set a password for account security. Next is product. Each product is assigned product ID and include details such as product name, quantity of stock, manufacturer, manufacturing date, expiry date, and price. Product are stored in the inventory. Next is seller. For seller, we have seller ID. Seller supply pharmacy product to the inventory. Seller detail include seller name, address, and phone number. Seller can manage their account with a password. Next is table orders. Each order is assigned order ID and include details such as customer ID, product ID, seller ID, order date and time, quantity of product order, and total price. Order are placed by customers and recorded in the system. For the relationship is each order is associated with one customer, one product, and one seller, indicating one-to-one relationship between orders and customers, product, and seller respectively. Customer and seller have one-to-many relationship with orders, allowing for multiple orders per customer or seller. Product and seller also have one-to-many relationship with the inventory, indicating that one product or seller can be associated with multiple inventory entries. Overall, the ERD provides a structured overview of how entities in the pharmacy interact are related facilitating effective data management and system functionality. Next is a flowchart. Flowchart for seller is the seller must register first when the seller don't have an account. So when the seller complete the register, they can go to the login page. After the login page, they can go to home page. Then they also can have to add product for medicine. Next is they also can restock the product, and also they can have to view the customer order. For the customer, same with the seller, they must register first when the customer don't have the account. When they complete the register, the customer can go to customer detail to complete the information. Then they also can have choose product they want to buy. When the seller choose the product, they can buy a product, and they can also to view the product. They can view the product that customer buy. That's all for flowchart.
Hi everyone, today I will present about drugstore management, which is pharmacy drug management. First, we have a register as customer and register as vendor. We need to register as vendor first. Alright, so in register new vendor, I need to insert my name, phone number, address, vendor ID, and password, of course. So first, of course, I will write my name, Fahmi, and then my phone number, and after that my address, your pharmacy address, and then of course write Kuala Lumpur, and then my vendor ID, which is number 1, and password, and then you have to retype your password again, and then just click submit. After that, in the login pages, it will direct you to login pages. You need to select a contact, which is as a seller. Okay, they have 2, customer and seller, so you need to click the seller one, and then you need to enter your user ID and password, and then you just click login. After that, you are currently in your home page, which is your pharmacy name, pharmacy ID, and your address and phone number. And then you have second pages, which is add pages. So in add pages, you need to add your product lah. So you need to write down your product name, which is Panadol, enter your product ID, 1, enter your manufacturer name, so I will write Berkal Stores, and then you enter your manufacturing date. Okay, and after that, enter your expiry date, and then after that, you need to enter the product quantity, say example like 50, and then price of each quantity, example say ringgit. So you just click add, and you directly to the add inventory. So I need to insert another 2 more products. So let's start from allergy medication, product ID number 2, manufacturing name, example like Caring, enter manufacturing date, and then same step, just repeat the same step on how to insert or add products. Alright, so product quantity, and of course the product price. After that, you need to just click add. Right, so we have like 2 products, 1 more product left. So because I want to make it like various products, so customer can choose which product they like to buy. So for this product, I would like to choose for cough medicine, and then it come from the big pharmacy. just enter the information and details. So here, and just add product. So we have 3 products. So that's all from me. Thank you. Alright.
So here is the pharmacy drug store management. When the customer don't have the account, the customer need to register as customer first. So customer should enter what they want to register. The first is the first name, last name, enter the email. When email which is ifa@gmail.com. Next is enter phone number. Next is enter address, customer ID, and the most important is password. Then when they complete the ni, go to enter the submit button. Then login as a customer. So login first. When done login, they go to the home page. Here, the detail of customer: name, ID, address, phone number, and also they show the email for this home page. Next, for the buy page is the customer can buy from buy page. All product can view here. Customer can order whatever they want to buy. And when the customer click buy, they can go to the database and view product they can buy. When the product is out of stock, don't have a stock, they can mention out of stock here. So the customer cannot buy the product don't have a stock. So here is the pharmacy drugs.
And for this part, we must log in as a seller, select seller, and then enter the seller ID, and then insert seller password, and then we are logged in. And then after that, this is how we want to restock the orders. Okay, after that we click on the restock, and we look at the product which one we need to restock. And then for this cough medicine, we need to restock because it has 0 stock. And then we input the stock quantity, which one we want, how much we want to restock. Let's say we restock for 30, and then we put restock, and then already restock for 30. And then after that, we want to see orders from customer. Go to customer, and then this is the customer orders, and that's the content of product ID 1, 2, and 3. And then we can see the product ID at the database, and that is a customer ID, which is the customer ID when they are about the product. And this is at the database, which is we want to see the orders from the customer, and we can see the quantity the customer that already want to buy. And then we can see the user ID, which is we can cross check at the customer. Which user ID is 2 and is from IFA. Customer is the IFA, and that's the details of the customers. Details to customer. And after that, this is the user ID that we can cross check the product, and that is the user ID is the same user ID that customer register, and that PID is for the product ID, so we can know which product that customer buy, which is customer buy from PID1, which is a product Panadol.